How to set up Topdon Rlink for Roewe VDS2 OEM software easily. Hi there, car tech enthusiasts. This is Hussein, and welcome back to Bobji Motors, your go-to hub for all things automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and insider tips on keeping your vehicles running smoothly. Before we dive into today's hands-on tutorial, a quick disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything you see here is designed to guide technicians, learners, and curious auto enthusiasts. We always follow fair use guidelines, which means any images, clips, or references are used strictly for review and education. And remember, all trademarks belong to their respective owners, so always stick to manufacturer instructions and follow local laws when working on vehicles. Now, before we jump into the techie part, I have a small favor to ask. Most of you watch without subscribing, and that's totally fine, but subscribing literally takes one click, and it makes a huge difference in helping this channel grow. So please, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, and stay tuned until the end of this tutorial because I promise it's packed with value. Also, let's set a fun challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within a week. And here's a little tip. You can also hype this video directly in the comments. It's free, easy, and helps us reach more car enthusiasts just like you. If you really enjoy this content, a super thanks is a wonderful way to show extra support. Now let's get rolling. Today we're focusing on how to set up Topdon Rlink with the Roewe VDS2 OEM software. For those who don't know, Topdon offers two main Rlink devices that work with this software, the Rlink X7 and the Rlink Lite. Both are capable, but there are a few key points to remember. The Rlink X7 requires a Roewe license activation. If you haven't activated yours yet, contact us. We'll guide you through the process. The Rlink Lite, on the other hand, comes fully licensed out of the box, so no extra activation is required. Important note, the Rlink J2534 green dongle is not compatible with VDS2 software, so don't try it. It simply won't work. All right, let's move to the step-by-step setup procedure. Follow along carefully. Step 1. First, download and install the Rlink Platform driver from the official Topdon website. Make sure you get the latest version. It's crucial for smooth connectivity. Step 2. Next, connect your Rlink device to both your laptop and the vehicle. Take your time to ensure the connections are secure. Loose connections can cause errors later. Step 3. Run the Rlink Platform driver on your laptop. If everything is set up correctly, the platform will show that both the vehicle and the device are connected. This visual confirmation is your first sign that things are working properly. Step 4. Navigate to Driver Management and then click on Driver Info. Here, you'll check whether the Roewe driver has already been downloaded. If it's not there, simply click the corresponding driver to download it. Once the download completes, click on the Roewe driver and select the Rlink mode. This ensures the device communicates correctly with the software. Step 5. Finally, run the VDS2 software and log in with your relevant account credentials. Select the vehicle information and start your diagnosis session. From here, you can access all the OEM functions and tools supported by the VDS2 software. And there you have it, a complete, step-by-step setup for Topdon Rlink with Roewe VDS2 OEM software. Simple, clear, and ready for your diagnostics workflow. Now for the outro. The answer to our earlier question, how do you set up Topdon Rlink for Roewe VDS2 software, is exactly what we just walked through. Installing the driver, connecting the device, confirming compatibility, and running VDS2. Personally, I think the Rlink Lite is a fantastic choice if you want something hassle-free, while the X7 is perfect for those who want to expand capabilities with licensing. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Rlink with VDS2 before? Any tips or hiccups you faced? Drop your answers and questions in the comments. I read every single one. And here's a little fun fact for all the auto tech fans out there. Roewe vehicles use a unique CAN bus architecture, which is why using the correct Rlink device and driver is crucial for accurate diagnostics and programming. Before you go, don't forget our challenge. 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments within the week. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and hype this video so more car enthusiasts can benefit. And remember, every super thanks helps us bring you more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching till the very end. Until next time, Keep learning, keep exploring, and happy